be sharing the same space as all of you guys. And I cannot wait to see the future of art in our country because of you. And as you know, you can't do anything alone. I have so many people to thank. It's the people who are so supportive of me, who are behind me, Creation Studios. Thank you. You're the best. RJ, John, Yay. Nasaan ka na, Yay? Yes. And the best handler on the planet, Luis Guillermo. I love you. I love you. My family, my kids, the people who have trained me, who have inspired me, Tony Mabesa, Jose Estrella, all the people who I've learned from, and you guys, lahat kayo, nakaka-inspire kayo. I learn every day from you. Kayo talaga ang future, and I couldn't be prouder that you have voted for me and you have chosen me to receive this so cool thing. Woo! Thank you, guys. Thank you.